With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Question is, a particle of mass 2 kg is moving with SHM. Its greatest velocity is 40 meter per second and its amplitude is 20 meter. Find the time period and force of attraction towards the center when the particle is at its greatest distance. Means amplitude. When particle is at greatest distance means when x is equal to a, that is amplitude. Let's find out. According to the question, greatest velocity, that is maximum velocity, equal to a omega, which is equal to 40 meter per second. So but a is 20 meter, so we can substitute 20 omega equal to 40. Omega becomes 40 divided by 20, so omega becomes 2 radian per second, and we have to find the time period. We can write omega as 2 pi by t equal to 2, so this implies t equal to pi second, and we have to find the force of attraction toward the center when the particle is at greatest distance. Now we can say that the force of attraction towards the center equal to restoring force, and which is equal to m omega square x, but x is equal to a. We have to find the force of attraction towards center at x is equal to a, that is at greatest distance. So we can substitute all values. Mass is 2 kg, mass is 2 kg, and omega is 2 square, omega square into amplitude. A is 20, so we can calculate it. 2 into 4 into 20, 160 Newton.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.